Yuck cookies pala. And I'm going to do my bestie's manicures. Like my mom, I posted. This time it's my bestie's manicure. Nagdadress ka ba? Wait. Ay, hindi. Ako nagdadress. Talaga. Wait. Nagdadress ka? No, hindi. Kaya. Sige. Ba't mo tinatago? Baka makapagtik. Okay. So I got this one. Sana all. And this one. You have to add this for the feet. I mean for your hand. If you want both of them, feet and nails, you have to pay 100 pesos. Yes. Why don't I have to? Free. You have to.
Okay.
You have to.
Okay, I'll do both.
Both?
Yeah.
2 feet? One hand na lang, one hand para mas cheaper.
No, I want both.
No.
Hands.
And you have to come back for tomorrow. Oh.
Huh?
You have to come back tomorrow.
Huh?
Yeah.
Party.
Apa? I just touched it. It didn't hurt. Put your hand down!
Aray, kuko.
Pick a color! Pick or purple! Pink! Okay! Get it! With design or no design?
Huh?
With design or no design?
With this.
Okay. This
need
one
to buy
not
this.
available. Ito, Toys R Us. Girl, flip your fucking hand!
Okay.
Ba't ang laki naman ng kuko mo?
I don't know.
Like mine.
Because I'm a girl.
So guys, she's getting her manicure. Actually guys, this is for kids.
So, it's not toxic.
Yeah. Kabilang kamay!
Wait. Why I want the other one here?
Purple? Okay. Sige! Sige! Intayin mo lang!
Ang baho.
No, it smells different. It doesn't smell anything.
Slay. Okay.
Ayos pa!
Ay. Mama mo dilaw.
Englishera mo. Englishera sila eh.
Your mom is yellow.
Maisip ka. Sorry.
Wala yun, guys. Talaga, wala yun.
Wala yun lang. Joke lang yarn.
Oo nga.
Yung mga Tagalog, intindihan nyo to.
Mama mo dilaw. And then in English, pag English, your
Pag
mom
English.
is yellow.
Yes.
Mama mo itim. Your mom is black.
Lakay mo! Kapay mo dyan!
Slay.
Guys, does she look slay? Oh, sige! I-pick mo ng design. Pick ng design. Ito hindi available.
Bakit?
Hindi ko alam, pero hindi
Sira.
available. Hanggang 3 lang.
Ayan.
Yung mga animal, yung mga sign.
Ito, pwede.
Oh, sige, pwede. Sige, pwede. Hintayin na lang mag-dry, guys.
Wait lang kasi.
Aray ko! Tinusok mo yung mata ko!
Ay, sorry naman. Yan.
Ito? Sige, guys.
Tapos ito. Ito.
Hindi, dapat isa. Sige. Oh, sige na!
I will pay you 10,000. Sige.
Sige.
Okay.
Do my manicure.
Oh, yeah!
Bakit?
Tignan mo.
Okay lang. Huwag mo kasi hawakin! Sumayaw ka dalaw.
Mama mo blue.
Ah!
Mama mo itim.
Do my manicure. Guys,
Stop
look.
it. You will...
Stop it! Look, guys. Look, she's going to do my manicure. Look at my feet. She's going to do my manicure. Slay! I'm trying. Slay.
Tignan ko po. Sticky.
Alam ko!
Mama mo blue.
Hoy! Wag! Huwag mo hawakin. Manicure. Huwag mo na i-blow. Sabi nga, ba't ka na?
Aray!
Kina. Lahat na yung kamay ko! Kokod tuloy.
Ano yan?
Balik.
Takot.
Wala ako nakikita. Wala na ako.
Ben, namamatay na ako.
Aray!
Aray ko.
Ganyan talaga eh. Oh, ganyan.
Ulit! Ulit tayo! Hoy! Hoy! Wag mo! I will hugas na. I don't want to repeat it.
Okay na, I will ayos it.
No! Ella! I just don't want to. You cannot control me. You cannot control my legs. Okay.
Hindi ka, ayos.
Ano ko nga?
Ay, wag ka naman mag-manicure. Hili ka eh.
Bakit eh?
Ayosin ko niya eh.
At tingnan nyo guys, so sinaktan nila ako. Sinaktan niya ako.
Hili ka.
Sobrang puti na ako. Mama mo. Patingin, I wanna see. I cannot see anything. I cannot see anything.
Guys, she's making me die.
I cannot see anything. Hui! Linaruan mo yung face ko. Mama mo.
Okay.
Aray ko po.
Ayos na.
Hindi kaya. Hindi ba I told you?
Iwanan mo na. Iwanan mo na.
Ano to? Yan na, may ilaw. Uy, may ilaw na ba?
Hindi. Walang battery eh.
Bakit ba walang battery?
Mawawala eh.
Ano pa yan?
Lagay mo sa loob eh.
Mama mo. Black.
Lakay ka sa loob niya eh.
Hindi na maayos to.
Ayoko.
Gawin mo ulit.
Ayoko.
Sige, ang sa'yo sa
Sige,
tayo.
sige, sige. Lakay mo sa loob.
Mama mo.
Dilaw.
Huy.
Maayos ko na eh. Ayos ka! Nasaan yung kuko mo? Nasaan yung kuko mo?
Wait lang. Nagpapamanicure po ako. Wait lang.
Matagal pa to, be. Sabihin mo, nagmamanicure pa ako.
Nagmamanicure pa po ako.
Bye, guys.
Bye,
I
guys.
hope that was funny. Bye.